Looking for the best bench drilling machines to power up your projects? In this video, we'll explore top-rated options for woodworking, metalwork, and DIY enthusiasts to help you make the perfect choice. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN4208T Benchtop Drill Press. Discover the WEN4208T 2.3 amp 8-inch 5-speed cast iron benchtop drill press, one of the best bench drilling machines for any project. This top-rated bench drill press features a powerful 2.3A induction motor, a durable 8-inch swing, and a 2-inch spindle travel for precision. With 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 740 to 3140 RPM, it's perfect for versatile tasks. The 6.5x 6.5-inch adjustable worktable bevels up to 45 degrees, making angled drilling easy. Compact yet sturdy, this drill press stands 23 inches tall with a solid 7x 11-inch base. Ideal for those seeking affordable bench drilling machines without compromising on quality and performance. Number 2. NovelLife Mini Drill Press. Introducing the NovelLife Mini Drill Press, a top choice among the best bench drilling machines for precision and versatility. This compact bench drill for small workshops features a solid metal structure with 3 metal axes and linear bearings for stability and accuracy. Powered by a 795 DC motor, it delivers an impressive 7,000 RPM, with an adjustable 24V power supply for precise speed control. Its 5.9x 4.7x 8.7-inch size makes it perfect for tight spaces while offering a 40mm max drilling stroke. Ideal for DIY projects and heavy-duty bench drill reviews, it handles wood, resin, and soft metals effortlessly, making it the best bench drill for woodworking and creative crafts. Number 3. Dremel Drill Press. Meet the Dremel Drill Press Rotary Tool Workstation Stand, a versatile addition to the best bench drilling machines lineup. This high-precision bench drilling machine is perfect for drilling perpendicular and angled holes with 15-degree increments up to 90 degrees. Its adjustable flex shaft tool stand allows telescopic height adjustments from 16 to 29 inches, making it ideal for various tasks like polishing, sanding, and grinding. With a 2-inch drill depth and compatibility with multiple Dremel rotary tool models, it's a must-have for hobbyists and professionals. For long-lasting performance, follow proper bench drill maintenance tips to keep this sturdy metal workstation in top shape for your creative and precision drilling needs. Number 4. SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch benchtop drill press. Introducing the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch benchtop drill press, a standout in the category of best bench drilling machines. Equipped with a powerful 6.2 amp induction motor, this drill press effortlessly handles wood, metal, and more, making it one of the top bench drilling machines for metalwork. Its 5-speed system, ranging from 610 to 2,800 RPM, ensures precision across various materials. The built-in laser alignment system and adjustable depth stop provide accurate and consistent drilling, while the LED work light keeps your workspace illuminated. Compact and versatile, this is an ideal choice for those seeking reliable portable bench drill presses with advanced features for professional and DIY projects alike. Number 5. BUCKTOOL 10-inch drill press. Looking for the best bench drilling machines? The BUCKTOOL 10-inch drill press is a must-have for precision and reliability. Powered by a CSA-certified 3/4 HP 6.0 amp induction motor, it offers 5 speeds ranging from 650 to 3100 RPM, making it perfect for drilling wood, plastic, and metal. The 45-degree tilting worktable with built-in LED lights ensures clear visibility and versatile use. With safety features like a removable switch key and a robust cast iron base, this drill press provides both stability and accuracy. For those exploring the ultimate bench drill buying guide 2025, the BUCKTOOL stands out as a powerful and durable option for all your light-duty drilling needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.